disclose something regarding the film One Night Stand. There was a scene which was chucked out, and due to that, I mean, that would have been the film as such. It would make any impact, negative or positive impact for the audience.
Uh, I don't know about that. I mean, I have got a lot of audience responses and opinions, of course. जब भी आप कोई पिक्चर देखते हो तो आपको बहुत सारे अलग अलग ओपिनियंस, अलग अलग व्यूज़, रिव्यूज़ सब कुछ मिलते हैं. So yeah, I mean, everybody praised the film a lot, and they said that the performances were outstanding and stuff. But वो लोग बोल रहे थे कि second half में it was a little more of obsession and stalking. That could have been a little more dramatic. Like one of the ladies in the theater itself came up and told me that उर्मिल गायब था तो आप कहाँ थी, आप उसको फ़ोन नहीं कर रही थी, या were you not like trying to get in touch with his friends, where is he and stuff like that. I said, ma'am, we just stick to the screenplay जहाँ पे जो होता है. But there was this scene, एक scene था जब उर्विल सेरेना को मिलने जाता है रेस्टोरेंट में. उसके पहले ही सिमरन आके उसको ड्रेसअप करती है, एंड शी आस्क्स लाइक, लुकिंग हॉट, आर यू लाइक, आप किसी डेट वेट पे जा रहे हो क्या मजाक में. एंड दैट्स व्हेन ही इज़ लाइक गिल्टी कॉन्शियस वे में बोलता है कि क्या हो गया, बकवास मत करो. एंड शी इज़ लाइक, इनको क्या हो गया है. सो आई थिंक दो स्मॉल स्मॉल जो इमोशंस होते हैं, दैट वाज इम्पॉर्टेंट. कि मेरा कॉल करना, कहाँ पे है, या फिर डिनर टेबल पे वेट करना, whether husband's coming home or not, or maybe make a call to his friend that something's wrong, he's not behaving normal. So I think this thing could have added, but overall I feel audience has really liked the script a lot, and I'm really happy कि जितना भी limited role था मेरा, people have really liked my work, and I've made my presence felt, so really glad about that.
The mentality haven't grown as such. So did you think that film would get released? I mean, it would get good response or something like that?
Well, I feel One Night Stand is a very, very bold approach to talk about. I think it's a commendable opinion on the filmmaker's side to touch upon this issue. I really respect that fact, because these things are the topics we should talk about. Even though obviously हम कभी कभी क्या होता है, हम फिल्म मेकर्स मार्केटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से लेते हैं कि ओके, लेट्स go with this particular actor, or this particular headline might just catch eyeballs and stuff, but it's always the audience who actually perceive. I always felt कि One Night Stand is a very catchy thing, but जो लोग शायद जो सिटी प्रमोशंस के को नहीं देख रहे हैं, या फिर सिर्फ जो लोग टीवी पे देखते हैं, या फिर सिर्फ जो लोग, कभी कुछ लोग होते हैं कि थिएटर में जाके पता चलता है कि अरे ये वाली मूवी आ रही है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु डोंट वॉच टीवी, हु आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ थिंग्स. So for them, they kind of get a different impression कि okay, One Night Stand, it might be about the One Night Stand. So it's very important to portray all the three characters strongly to make them understand that it's not only about a couple thing, it's about three distinct characters जिनको focus करना चाहिए together to make it look like okay, it's about something else. So I feel ये टॉपिक, ये पिक्चर, जो स्टोरी है, सब कुछ बहुत ही अच्छा था, इम्पॉर्टेंट था, क्योंकि अभी सिनेमा इज़ इवॉल्विंग, एंड आई रियली फील दैट इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू टच अपॉन सच इश्यूज़. क्योंकि हम लोग ठीक है, हम लोग लिबर्टी लेते हैं अपने लाइफ में, लेकिन वाई आर वी हिपोक्रेट ऑफ टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. सो दैट थिंग इज़ वॉट वी रियली नीड टू थिंक. एंड माई रोल स्पेसिफिकली, मैंने ये फिल्म क्यों लिया है, क्योंकि जो मेरा रोल है, it relates to all the married women, be it independent woman or be it housewife. Now in this film I was a working woman. मैं और उर्विल सेम ऑफिस में काम करते थे, एंड मैंने उसी से शादी की जिससे मैं प्यार करती थी. सो बेसिकली आई हैव माई ओन राइट इन माई ओन लाइफ. But at the same time, because I left my job, because I think that when he comes home I want to give all my time to him, I chose to be a typical housewife, which आज की generation में it does not really happen, क्योंकि once you are independent you have the mentality that you want to do your own stuff. घर पे बैठना is, so that's the reason she used to bake and cook and all, cooking orders लेना बीच बीच में to keep herself busy. She used to do that. But yes, I feel that थोड़ा सा और stronger हो सकता था, a little more demanding, that my husband's really not the same, I need to figure out what's happening and stuff like that. So I think वो drama, I mean that's what audience says, so yes, I think it should have been there.
Making a name for yourself in the glamour industry, not a pretty easy task as such. Sunny Leone has made the name of herself, but still people have apprehension. Being being so close to her or being part of her movies as such. Was there any impression from your side also when you were approached for the film?
See, initially, I am not a filmmaker, so I do not think from the marketing point of view. Usually, filmmakers do think from the marketing point of view. I'm an audience first. So मुझे yes title से थोड़ा सा लगा था क्योंकि see Sunny, she's done a great job in this film. She has tried something out of the box. She looks beautiful and she's given all her efforts. So hats off to that. But what happens is when two things go together on a different note, तो obviously वो match होने में थोड़ी दिक्कत होती है. तो but then it's the filmmaker's prerogative. What can you say?
For a common people, she's a glamorous diva as such, but for you as such, as an individual, how was she? As a professional, how was she?
She was very nice. She's very very professional, very sweet, काफी cooperative भी थी, and I think we should not judge anybody. आप आज की देखो ना, हम आज जो भी है अपने past के वजह से है. You should always give opportunities and encouragement to people to come up. And today, if she has been sweet to me, I'll understand the importance of having a newcomer later on in front of me. And I think we should all be cooperative and good to each other.
Tanuj was your opposite. I mean, Tanuj has earlier also worked in Hindi films, but it didn't work out as well. Did you have apprehension working with him as well because he was not successful earlier?
Well, we had our workshops, and I'm very friendly on the sets. I kind of make sure that the chemistry goes well because when you talk, आप एक दूसरे को समझ जाते हो, आपका body language आपको समझ में आती है because acting is all about reacting. So you really need to understand other person's style and all. So we had to work on those areas जहाँ पे हमारी chemistry अच्छी है क्योंकि हम लोग तो husband wife play कर रहे हैं. We cannot be fake like दूर से हम लोग hug करेंगे and all that. So we had to work on that. I do not judge people पहले से कि okay ये है वो है and all that. We try ourselves to make it work. I mean मुझे भी अपना 10% देना है, 100% देना है, उनको भी देना है, तभी जाके हम एक common point पे आ सकते हैं. So the main focus was on working out things, not on. I mean, if I am apprehensive about certain things, then why would I do it?
You started your career way back. It's not like now you are starting your career, but you didn't get success initially as such, and you turned to the South industry. So you got success. So how was the experience over there, and what the world culture over there?
Well, it has given me a lot of acknowledgement, recognition, and praises. People have really liked my performance over there. In fact, I have a very big release in Kannada industry now. Tiger, it's called. So I'm feeling good, and yes, as an actor, I think I'm growing because I'm getting to touch upon films where roles are more meaty and bigger, and I have something really, really important to do. So journey has been smooth and nice so far.
You're a law graduate. I mean, what exactly do you do to pursue law, LLB? I mean, you are a graduate in law. So in the future, will you be planning to do some?
Well, yes. You never know. I might be a legal advisor, or after when I decide that okay, I'm बहुत movies कर ली, अभी थोड़ा शांति में रहती हूँ. So maybe I'll open a law firm or something. I have such plans in my mind. So let's see.
Your mom is also content writer, and she's turning out to be a novelist. So is there any creative kind of relationship?
I think, of course, we both. She completely understands. See, when I signed this film, before I signed this film, घर पे थोड़ा सा हलचल तो हो रहा था कि वन नाइट स्टैंड है, बोल्ड कॉन्सेप्ट है, क्या नहीं है. But then she's a writer, she's an artist. मैं स्क्रीन पे एक्सप्रेस करती हूँ, वो बुक्स पे एक्सप्रेस करती है. So of course she understands that these issues are important. You need to show certain things to make the audience believe. You cannot fool the audience by just showing certain things. There has to be hardcore content at the end. आप कितना भी marketing कर लो, आप कितना भी इनको दिखा लो, उनको दिखा लो या कुछ भी कर लो. At the end, it all boils down to the story content, the way it is portrayed. So my mom was happy कि I'm getting a role of this sort to play, and she was cooperative, and in fact she has given me a lot of tips. It was my mom's idea to watch Earth क्योंकि शबाना जी का पेन समझने के लिए, like how what does she feel when your husband just starts acting weird?
Okay.
So yeah.
You're usually fond of Salman Khan as well. I mean, what really you find appealing in Salman? Everyone finds appealing
His
in Salman, but
eyes are just mesmerizing.
okay.
I don't know. I mean, I just love him.
I mean, yes, and recently he was appointed the brand ambassador for Rio Olympics. How practical, how genuine, because he's an entertainment person. So, do you think a person from the sports industry should have been appointed as a brand ambassador?
See, sports, it is a sports platform. Of course, हम लोग जब किसी गेस्ट को बुलाते हैं, हम लोग कॉलेज से ही या स्कूल से ही गेस्ट को नहीं बुलाते, बाहर से बुलाते हैं, because they have a typical image. Salman Khan has been having this great physique since years. So obviously there are a lot of people who follow him, who want to know about him. Sports people, of course, we have very high regards for them, for their dedication, for the way they play and everything. But they are two different industries, and we always look up to somebody else जो हमारे industry से नहीं है, as an influencer, as a guidance, or as a inspiration. So I think he's a perfect choice for that.
So in the future, you like to work with any star, I mean, Shah Rukh, Salman, Amir, Akshay.
All
Salman
of them.
favorite
आपने
because-
जिन जिन का नाम लिया सब लोग.
And all the directors, Sanjay Leela, Rohan Sali, Karan, big names are there.
Yes, and Imtiaz Ali, Tony Zouza, and Shuji Sarkar.
So you Sarkar.
Yes.
As an actress, what kind of role do you want to play? Some challenging, something very outbid kind of. Any commercial will work out for you.
I always would want to work in alternate kind of content. Like अभी मैंने एक थोड़ी serious role कर दी, तो next थोड़ी हल्की फुल्की करना चाहूँगी. You know, typical rom-com or something like that. Then again, next would be something which is not exactly a housewife kind of a thing, but much more stronger. You know, जहाँ पे I'm not playing somebody who's like a doormat, or you know, I'm playing somebody very strong or very authoritative. So I would like to try something like that.
So in the industry, who might be your mentor, your guide, etc., or any besides that?
Mommy. I have no friends from the industry.
No friend from industry. And regarding your planning for your marriage or something like that, are you dating someone?
Okay. Dating, actually, I strictly want to, my mom wants me to date someone because she also wants me to settle down at a point of time, maybe after 2-3 years. But as of now, I've just told her stop bothering me with that. I want to concentrate on work. She's very open-minded. She's like, see.
Someone like Salman Khan should be.
Yeah, obviously.
Okay. And lastly, asking any future projects in Hindi or South?
Yeah, I'm gonna be starting to shoot for a new film with Sharman Joshi.
Okay.
So we're gonna start working from the end of May. I'm preparing for that.
Thanks for
Thank you.